Microphone soon. This thing's getting broken. Alright, welcome back. And my microphone cable's getting all fritzed. If I adjust it wrong, it fizzles out. But anyway, welcome back to the At the Ends of Eras video game development stream. First order of business. Wow. I still need to do, like, the warm-up period. I need to, like, make it a habit of, like, starting OBS and warming it up, so that way this transition actually works. And why does the transition take so long to load? And why doesn't it just pause and then play it? Instead of, like, not playing it. Oh well, whatever. Start more than 20 minutes late. In my defense, I was making, mashed potatoes. Because my brother's cooking dinner, but I wanted to help a little bit, so I boiled potatoes. That was my contribution. I chopped them up, didn't even peel them. The recipe did not well, in the image, the potatoes were not peeled. But now that I think about it, it was probably because they were, like, waxy potatoes. Because it called for 12 ounces where we used russet potatoes. So I should have peeled them. But oh well. A little bit of dirt in your mashed potatoes gives you some grit. It gives you your minerals. But okay. I'm here. Let's do... I should probably do a feature that I need. Which is to have a custom outfit for dreams. Let's see. Let's see. The music's getting louder. It's doing that dang thing that music does where it has dynamics and stuff and builds up. But I need it to, I guess... What should I need it to do? I guess I'll keep it at that. That's probably fine. And I keep thinking about doing features in Godot 3 of like, oh, I should add some crazy new thing, like I should, you know, because I like had the CMake build and stuff, but yeah, past me was right. I should just port the game to Godot 4 at some point. That'll be after I make the game actually like interesting to play though. Because what I should do first is, I mean, I guess that's the feature that I need. So let's just say ability to change outfits in dreams. And for now, it's going to be really simple because it's just going to be, because I only need it for like an example right now. So let's just do that. Let's go to world GD, enter dream. Let's see, because we have 2 different dreams that I can go into. And I think what I'll do, let's make an outfit that I would like to make. So like var outfit equals like player dot mesh dot get outfit. And so we can like save this. Var x equals global set stat post dream outfit, or like waking outfit, and that'll be outfit. What I do, no, the player shouldn't do that, or I shouldn't do that there. I should just do it here. Or maybe we should have like yeah, let's go to, eventually let's go to this. So if I go to player body, and then I can go to function, enter, dream. Okay. So let's have like, let's keep this as it is for now. Global set stat waking outfit mesh dot get outfit. And then when we leave the dream, we'll do global set stat, no, I know, mesh set outfit global dot stat waking outfit, and then probably like a global remove stat. Because I don't, well, I can save this. Because this way, it'll actually persist across the save file. And that means I should disable, there's a few things I need to disable. But let's say, disable changing for the wardrobe in dreams. Because we'll need some sort of hidden outfit. Let's get this set outfit, get outfit done. So that'll be something very similar to my current outfit code. Where do I do that? Oh, right. We already have this. If not outfit.empty, mesh.set outfit. Okay. So let's go to the animator. Set coats type by ID, function set outfit. Outfit or key outfit. So we're gonna have we should actually have the coat now set here. So we're gonna do global. We're gonna bump the minor version, bump this back down, because we are going to officially remove the current coat here. Which actually means... Well, do we need any of this here? We could just do set current coat, like... Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Set current coat. How the fuck... What the fuck did I do? Control X. Mesh dot set coat pattern coat. Play sound. Okay. Because then I can just have function set coat pattern coat and play sound equals false. And we don't need this anymore. So we can just set that. Do we have any sort of... Oh, pattern. Okay, so this will get that, and then outfits. I think this is in repair save. Yeah. Global sets get player outfit will now be global dot or mesh dot get outfit. And we'll also have this in there. Function get outfit dictionary turn. All right, so where's our get coat type? Get. Okay, so we're gonna we should have now the outfit save the coat, I guess. Outfit dot, or I guess set coat pattern the outfit dot pattern. And then we'll just have like pattern be get coat pattern. Function get coat pattern coat return. I guess outfit should now have like pattern. So then outfit dot pattern equals pattern. So where is this defined? This is armature skeleton. Base mesh. Okay. So now, oh, we already have current coat. Oh wait, no, this is a Okay, this is fine. We'll just have var pattern as code. So what we should do is we should get the dreams. So let's go to the dream.tscn. And so this has a teleport ref. So this should have an outfit associated with it. Dream. extends spatial function get point, or like get player ref will be transform, and this will return teleport ref dot global transform, and we'll have export coat var starting coat, export string var or like pattern starting coat, export string var starting hair. Alright, and I'll eventually make that just proper. But okay, so now what I'm going to do instead of what I was doing before, let's go to the world again. When we go to enter dream, we're just going to do N here. Because this spatial. Actually, let's do dream. We'll just have our class name dream area, or let's just call it a dream. Okay. P dot so we'll do like function get outfit. Return pattern starting pattern coat and then hair. Okay. And then what I'll do, this will be fine. So the dream should do a get player and also we should do, so we have waking outfit, and then we can do mesh dot set outfit key dot get outfit. That, then we have this. Okay. In fact, how much should the world do here? I think so. If dream, do we stop the time? All right, we do. Day night stop. And then when we leave the dream, it should do, okay, it does this. Well, why does it do that there when it could do it anywhere else? Like, it could just do it here. I mean, eventually pause and load should also update the thing. Oh well. That'll be fine. Let's try making this have some things. So like short hair, double breasted, and then so we need a new coat. New, so let's go to like where's our coat designs, materials, coat. I'm gonna say it'll be a very simple one. It'll be a top-down gradient that starts from, like, white. Or starts from, like, a faded yellow, maybe? Or, like, a peach tone, like that. Okay, so now, if we start a new game, does this work? Did I remember to edit everything? Because this will let me have, like, weird custom outfits for the player. Because I think the white coat will be interesting. Okay, let's cancel then. Why is this not... Why is this still not fucking working? Jesus Christ. Okay, bugs. The save game warning still doesn't work. Or still doesn't focus properly. Alright, I kept... oh wait, it's because it's the main menu. Yeah, the main menu now has issues. So I think... I mean, I guess I could just go to the main menu. So, like, let's try that. Let's go to, player. And then, like, load... What am I looking for, actually? Where is that warning even at? Is it, like, in gaming or something? Or is it, like, in the world itself? It's not in there. Where's that warning? Save? Hang on. Save that. Version? GD? Oh, okay, I have a pop-up custom. Where the hell is this? This is in the global. Yeah, I should have this not here. Or let's have this in the player. No, in the main menu. Is the main menu... Why is the main menu this? Hang on. Save this as a child scene somewhere in here. Like, 'cause I don't think any of this... So what does this do? Dot dot slash dot dot slash dot 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 dot. Okay, so that does that. So this can all be just independent. Save branches scene, UI, menus, main menu. I smell some food cooking. Oh yeah, I forgot. We were supposed to... There was some cheese that seeped to the bottom. But okay, I'm gonna do... Control... So... If not force and... Hmm. Uh-oh. I guess we can just emit a signal. Bad. Or like save version conflict. And then like game state dot version. Okay, because now we're gonna have the main menu take care of this. So this will be function on save version incompatible, old, new, probably. Okay, because let's go to the main menu now. Did I forget to put this here? Oh, I did. Hang on. Let's go back to here. Undo this. God fucking damn it. I keep forgetting Godot has its special snowflake to undo system where you can't undo individual files because switching from scene to scene is also part of the undo system. So now that I've switched scenes, it's like anyone's game. Because like there's only like one thread of the undos. Okay. B1605. Okay, what am I looking for? Git checkout, management global.tscn. Because now I can copy this and paste it. So that way, just in case it... Hello? There we go. Okay, so now we have this. And so this will be... I will put it in here. Aspect controller container pop-up. So this will be... I don't need this, actually. I can just do that. I think. Oh, wait, no. I have to do this. And then this pop-up custom can do, like, center. But it needs to be above all this stuff. And now, this should just behave normally, because it'll get the focus. So content buttons, cancel that. Let's say like save incompatible, or like version pop-up. Okay, on version pop-up canceled, cool. On version pop-up confirmed. So p equals version pop-up, and then we'll have old, new. So version loaded %s is not compatible with game version. Oh wait, okay, so this should be like, let's change this to like loaded current. Okay, you may load anyway or cancel to start a new game. And now I think what I can do, I'll keep that there. What is this? This will be loaded. Let's just have save app string. Oh wait, save version conflicts. So this will then have our version. Oh wait, no. Save path, game state, version. Okay. Signal. Oh, did I mess this up? Oh well. Save path, loaded, currents. Okay, so this should be... Yeah, okay, that's right. So the rest of... A lot of this stuff, actually, should be... So we don't need these here. Oh wait, we do need the backup path to be connected here. So this is like load anyway, so let's do... I guess this is fine. Or like on version pop-up canceled on version. Well, we don't need this one, at least. And let's just have like var backup path string. Because it'll just be backup path equals this, and then we don't need this at all. Valid game state equals false, so we will just have this stuff be done in the global. And then direction. So if not that, save path. Oh, backup path. So yeah, if we have a save that exists. Wait, why would we not have a save? Why would we have a save that doesn't exist with an incompatible version? Ah, well. Hope our smoke detector doesn't go off because I'm smelling a lot of smoke. But okay. So on cancels, on confirmed. So this is on pop-up canceled. Well, I mean, it doesn't. We don't even really need this. We can just do global reset game. And then on pop-up confirmed. So we don't need either of these. Okay. So then all of this... Okay, all of this should be good. So why does this not have a function called pop-up? Show, and then we called bird grab button focused. Okay, so now this should just detect it, show the little thing, and this will actually make it a lot easier because I don't have to fiddle with like not having UI because the player has UI. Though I should probably make it, why isn't it just a regular pop-up anyway? Did I need to do something with the pop-ups? Oh well. We'll let the game load and load and load. In fact, how is this doing? Okay, it's working normally. Incompatible save. Oh, I see. Why did this not work? Oh, wait. Because the version pop-up is not supposed to be there. And because we don't have this. So we need, like, function ready. Global.connect. Let's go back to this. Save version conflict. Self on save version conflict. So this is marginally more elegant. Well, honestly, it's a lot more elegant. The global should just have state management code. It should not have this crazy UI stuff. And now that it's in the main menu, like I said, that makes it a lot easier because originally the game didn't start in a menu. So I had to, like, wrestle control away from the actual player. Man, it's taken a long time. Okay, so it didn't work. Why did it not work? Init. So version conflicts. Print debug version conflict. Oh, because this happens earlier than the new. This happens first. So we actually need uh-oh. How do I do that then? I guess I could have the main game load sync, but that would be bad. I mean, I guess it'd be okay. Where do we do that actually? Init? Reset state? Where do we load sync? Other than here. Okay, I see. Is it like... Who loads sync? Or do we load async? Or do we just load the game? Function load. No, okay, so we do just have the load sync function. Okay. Main menu does that. Debug console, areas world. Okay. So I think this should do this. Rather than the world itself. Well, yeah, I guess this makes sense. Let's go to the player. No, let's go to the main menu. So this will be actually in the enter tree function. And we should have the current world do something, because like the test, or like proof of concept. What does this do that they're not doing? Oh, okay, global.test scene. So we can have if not global.test scene and this and that and the other things, then we load sync. And so this does mean that now more of the game will have loaded. Does it matter? Because now instead of the first node being loaded and then it like starts the game loading, now it's going to be this. But what if, so now I have to actually do ready, I think. Will this change anything? Set body of null instance with value of type string. Oh wait, it's because this is just the wrong thing. Let's just do on ready var version pop up dot let's go to the main menu, equals aspect ratio container slash plain whatever slash version pop-up. There we go. Okay, there we go. So, warning, version loaded is not compatible with game version. Data may be corrupted. You may load anyway or cancel to start a new game. Cancel. Okay. Now we have a beautiful thing. Why is the mouse visible? Why is this not here? On base nil, set coat pattern, set current coat. Who put this here? If not, confirm and old coats. But why would there not be an old coat here? Oh wait, because the player no longer has current coat. Yeah. And we can just set the current outfit here. Because the game state, I forgot the entire reason that I did this. It's goodbye current coat. Hello outfit. Okay. So then we can just do, so prepare save. That should just, oh yeah, does it there. Okay, so let's go through all of the things. So the wardrobe especially is going to be bugged, because we should do like mesh.get coat or pattern. Get coat pattern. So then, and coat. Where the heck did I do that? Oops, coat. So this is now going to be mesh.that. So we can actually just do var, well, I guess I'll keep it separate. I was going to say like old outfit, current outfit, all that stuff. Okay, current coat. Player.set current coat. That's fine. Set current coat. Old coat. Okay. Because eventually the set current coat function can also be removed from the player, so that way the outfit has it more. Okay, so now there we go. And then the truth, or the actual like thing that I was testing in here was the ability to save and load the coat, or the ability to like get a new outfit from actually that'll be interesting, because do I save the coat in the wrong place? Like, will I get a new coat if I actually go here, get the capacitor and all that stuff? Let's see, I think the music died. It did. Let's see, is that on the bingo? Does not seem like it is. Sad for you. Or me. There's still that weird, like, if I do this. No, if I do, like, sometimes there's just, like, a weird truncated, high jump. And it ate my long jump, or my roll jump there. Sad news for us jump heads. Ah, did you see that one? Huh, weird. It's like if I buffer it too early on like sloped terrain, somehow, for some reason, that like murders it, or murders the jump. But okay. So I can do this. Then let's sleep. So I should go to the dream. Did not go to the dream. Oh, wait. Mesh.get outfit. Oh, wait, no. This should be true. Because P is the dream. So enter dream. Oh, wait. These now just need to be this. I wonder if I could do different outfits as well. But okay, this should still... Now I can just sleep and test it. Okay, snooze, you lose. No such coat path breakpoint. What is the path? Godot. Items, clothes, double-breasted. Where is... it's because I switched it to use... Okay, it's because I switched it to use underscores. For obvious reasons, for consistency. Okay. So this should do that. And I should also have an emergency case if I don't care. Like, where it just sets your outfit to whatever you're currently wearing. Okay. Look at that. It actually saved the outfit. So let's do a simple test first, where I just exit now. And it should re-give me the outfit. Or my old outfit. There we go. Was I here? This feels like the wrong... This feels like a different place than I was in. Maybe it's just a different angle. I guess I can double check by just... I also have to double check saving in here and then loading out of here. So like, let's do that. And then save and quit. And we should be inside the dream. Oh wait, but this means... Oh wait, no, this should be fine, because we can just leave. And then it should load up our current outfit and all that stuff just fine. Look at that. And then, if we go to the wardrobe, we shouldn't... Okay, we don't have it in here. Good. And that should mean that if we go into the wardrobe in here, we don't have this outfit. Yeah, this outfit is not one of them that we have. Yeah, I need to slow down Jackie's walk. That's gonna be... I still think... Well, I think I can do it. I think I know how to do it. I just need to figure it out better. But okay. Let's do a save and quit. So this looks good. So this should actually work now, hopefully. And I'll put... Where's that feature? Disable wardrobe in dreams. Let's say... Oh wait, I already have it in here. Wait, ability to change... Oh wait, okay. What I meant to say was ability to set player outfit. Or set custom outfits in dreams. So that's done. This, though, is just going to be lower priority. Because, like, the worst that happens is the player manually sets their outfit, and then they don't have the dream outfit. And then when they wake up, they're back into their normal outfit. Okay, menu memory. This, all of this. This would be cool. It's not integral to the game. It's basically like summarizing what the medium would tell you in an even more compact format. Play a loud sound when you take damage. I mean, I have the other indicators. Do I need this anymore? I'll just put it at lower priority. Give the player a decent default coat. I don't care that much. Schedule, animations, turn in the correct direction, NPCs stop to talk with you. Don't I have this? I think I do. When there's a nav mesh, at least. NPCs stop to talk. I think I have this as well, but I don't have them resuming. So animations for different things. Sitting / standing. Opening doors. So this is much lower priority, but it's something that I think I won't ship the game without it, but it'll be at the very end. So proper gun wielding, guys. Do not leave post when shooting the player. I mean, I guess I have that. So a pocket watch item. Oh wait, no, I don't have that. Because this is meant to be, like, if they're actively targeting the player, their schedule, it should override the schedule. But okay. A pocket watch item that always shows the time. That could be nice. But, again. So environment overrides for saturation. This would be good. Basically any... I know how to do this. So basically, anything that overrides the time, or anything that overrides the sun, should also override the saturation. Don't I have, so like, environment settings? Let's go to world. I guess I could just do this. So tool extends node. Let's do class name settings. So this should have the saturation. Where the fuck did I do that? Well, it should have it. Export float 0.0 1.0 bar saturation set get set saturation. Yeah. Well, I guess I can just do that. And then we'll just have function set sats floats saturation equals sat. Okay, let's go to the world. Let's go to our day-night cycle. And let's see what I did. Because I think it is, take your time, Godot. Okay, so if I do day, night. So don't I have to take your time on here? Let's double check the bingo card. That's a classic line. I don't think I do. But okay. Yeah, one thing. Adjustment saturation. So this is now going to be environment settings. Wait, how does this work? And okay, env settings : saturation. And we'll do that here as well. There we go. And then this, I think, doesn't have it. Yeah. Okay, so now we go back into our environment settings. We can do environment.adjustment. Environment.adjustment saturation. Wait, sats. Sats. Oh, I hear something. Okay, my brother's making the chicken. Sounds like it's been in the oven for a little while, so I'll just... When that's done, I'll... get it. I'll get the food and eat it. Live on stream. Oh, right. If environment and no go sun. Because it would be cute eventually to have the environment override handle this. So this is, yeah, if not override and active overrides. So yeah, if I choose to have the active overrides do that. Actually, why do the environment settings not handle the overrides if they're the ones that are reading from the overrides? Ah, well. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, right. Making sure the saturation works. So that should be, let's set time 2200. So now it's all dark and spooky. So I need like a item lantern. Yeah. So you can tell it's all gray. Yeah. The chicken is done. I'm gonna get out of here for a few minutes. Well, now I have to figure out how to eat gracefully live. Okay. And gone for greater than 7 minutes is on here, and I assume I was gone for longer, because I also mashed the potatoes real fast. But this dinner has turned out deliciously. It was a fried onion encrusted chicken. And I was worried because the recipe originally called for boneless breasts, and he had to make do with bone-in chicken thighs, so he had to, like, cook the chicken halfway and then and then coat them. But okay, what was I doing? Oh, right. Testing the saturation override cancellation. Right, I don't see it. So what I'm gonna do, let's go. Oh, right. Of course I don't see it, because I need to go to the world. Show sun. Set. So stars enabled, set saturation override. P environment dot show sun. Sun enabled, and then we can do function set saturation override enabled pool if not enabled var x. Wait, no, let's just get free dot create queen dot interpolate value environment settings initial value. Oh, okay, I see. We need var start end. Does this work? No, that doesn't. So equal. All right, let's do. So if enabled, start equals environment settings dot. Let's do like environment dot adjustment. Adjustment saturation end equals environment settings dot saturation. Else start equals environment settings dot saturation end equals environment dot adjustment saturation. Okay, so then we can interpolate value starts delta value. Oh wait, no, we need to interpolate property. How the hell does this thing work? Create tween. So this creates a scene tree tween. Okay, tween property. P dot tween property environment settings. What do we do with this? Okay, I think we need to do environment dot adjustment saturation. So I want a start value, and well, I guess I can't do a start value. So wait, how the fuck does this thing work? I mean, I guess now that I think about it, I don't actually need it for this. Because if it's not enabled... Oh, because if it's enabled, we set it to 1. Or if it's disabled, we set it to 1. Because saturation is 1 by default. Okay, and then... duration... I don't know, 1.0? Or let's do, like, fog tween time. Alright, so does this... how does this then work? And then we'll do, like, set this. And we'll do transcubic. And then tween.set ease. Ease in out. Okay. And we don't even need this start value. So they should now adjust the saturation. So when it's enabled, we go to the environment settings. And if it's not enabled, we go to the end. Let's see, I want the music louder. It's too quiet. Oh. Godot doesn't want me to look at anything else. Okay, there we go. A little too loud. Hang on. Go to the bingo because the capture died. It's always some fucked up thing. Like anytime I make the mistake of like touching anything on my computer in the like 15 minutes that it takes to load the game. Yeah, well. There we go. And I even ate some chicken. What was I testing? Alright, saturation. Ah, I see. It changes a bit too suddenly for me. So like it's perfect this way, but then it's just not right this way. So now I need to figure out how this is tweened properly. So how the heck... Oh, I guess what I do... Okay. It's because the sun has an independent variable. So how does the fog do this? Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, it's the stars. Oh, I see. Okay. Because I have this... So it's the set stars enabled, but it's not working. Okay. Indirect light override, set fog override. Let's see how this works. How does this work with the fog? So like, no, I like set fog color? So we have all this. So why does my fog blend properly? What did I remember? I did something to make this work, and it isn't. Fog depth end. So set fog override. Wait, what does clear do? Oh, okay, that's it here. Huh. So did we do anything with the fog tween? Or no. Environment tween. Ready. Okay, so that... I don't think this does anything with it then. Because yeah, we have active overrides. Did the... Oh, music just cut off weirdly. Hang on, let's go to 124 again, and let's see if I can figure out... So if we go to the medium environment, let's make the fog, like, really narrow, just so that I can see what it's doing. Because this perfectly seamlessly works, as far as I remember. But maybe I broke it at some point and just didn't notice. Yeah. So we have normal saturation, then we come out, then world dies. The fog is also not... Oh, it's because the fog isn't custom, I think. So let's put it to, like, green. See, I think now it should work. Yeah, there we go. So now there's a really narrow or dense green fog, and then if we come out here... Oh, the saturation, though, is affecting my perception. Hang on. Environment settings, set... world, set... Saturation overrides. Let's hide this temporarily. So that way it stays grayscale. So how does this work? What can I do to even figure out what's happening here? So, like, overrides. Remove environment. Set next to clear, or just remove it. Okay, so that's fine. Wait, I see. We also set active overrides here. Key environment.keys. That's fine. Oh wait, no. Okay, that should be fine. Because we're doing show sun as the controlling override for this. So yeah, here. So how do these work? If environment and no blah, do that. What? Is the fog depth not affected by... What the hell is this? Okay, so environment and no custom fog color. So why is this fine? Okay, so this is being set to black, but it's not black until like later. How does that work? Because like this isn't like a custom, this isn't like another property, this is just the environment. I don't know. One flaw with this meal is roasted green beans. I basically never had roasted green beans. Well, like, besides like a casserole. Or something that uses canned green beans that are already boiled. But these were fresh green beans, and roasted, the outside gets super leathery. And I don't know if that's just like a problem with the, like an inherent limitation of the green beans, or if that's like a thing that can be fixed with different preparation. Because it just says throw them in the oven with some oil. Because they taste pretty good. Can I actually even figure out where these are being called from? Okay, because in here, so this makes sense. The saturation isn't being called, or the fog isn't being called. And I can go here as well. So this is, I guess, just being set from the animation. What is our current fog color? Where is E for environment? So how does this work, though? Well, because one, this fog color isn't even the right fog color. I think it's reading from the file, and not from the actual, like, thing. And I don't think it's the type of tweening that I'm doing. Also, funny to see the footsteps don't properly get affected by fog. I'll probably just straight up remove those at some point. How does this work? So, like, can I, like, delete things from in the fog override? Hang on, let's just look for, like, environment tween. Okay, so they're all in here. Environment tween stop all. Is it because the tween is doing something different? That actually, now that I think about it, that could be it. Maybe it's being set after. So, like, this scene tween. Okay, I think I understand it. I think I do need an actual tween here. Take your time, Godot. I'll eat some chicken in the meantime. Wait, why did my thing? My microphone mute button work or broke. What the fuck? Okay, so the unmute button works. Let's try the mute again. Okay, I guess because Godot was unresponsive, it couldn't say, like, oh, I don't recognize this key press, so, I don't know, throw it to the other operating system, or other programs. Alright. Let's see where these tweens are. Because if they are after, yes, they are. Because of the processing order, this applies its modifiers first, or this applies the properties first, but then these apply the modifiers after. Oh my god. Okay. So what I need is, like, we need this here. And I'm just gonna do saturation tween. Or like bar T equals saturation tween. So this is now a tween. T dot remove all. So how do we do this? T dot tween interpolate property? Yeah, okay. Environment.environment, adjustment saturation, and this stuff. So the start will be environment dot adjustment saturation, then end, then fog tween time, then cubic. Oh wait, no. Okay, yeah. These in out. Wait, what? What did I... Final value duration. So it should be... Hang on. So this is the current value. Their object, property, initial value, final value, duration, transitive type, or transition type, ease type, delay. And then we can do start. Hang on, I'm gonna eat. Take your time, video game. Okay. So now it should work. Because now it tweens after this. Yeah, look at that. Nope, didn't work. What the fuck? What does this mean? We can also just do this if enabled, else one. Oh wait, no, this should be like set saturation cycle or something like that. Is there any errors here? I mean, I guess I should probably have like... Oh. Again, that is meant to happen, so let's do... ignore. Okay. Trying again. Okay. What was I even adjusting? I don't think that's gonna do anything, though. Yeah. Oh, but the music will stop again. Is that just the album doing this? I guess it just has, like, a weird... Yeah, it's just... Okay. I keep thinking YouTube is killing my music, but it's not. But yep. Saturation still instantly decreases. How, though? Like, I don't see anything different with how I'm doing these, so maybe I should just go to, like, fog depth end. Let's just search for every instance of fog depth end. So, like, this doesn't do anything. Is it this time less than time ready? But no, that just sets it instantly. That's, like, not... Saturation. So that's fine there. Set saturation cycle. Because let's just double check. So if end, or if time less than time ready, environment dot adjustment saturation equals end return. This should not have any effect on the behavior that we're seeing, though it will make the startup slightly nicer. Because I did see that it starts at the, like, dark mode, and then it goes to the light mode. Okay. I mean, admittedly, now it just kind of looks even worse. What I could do is make the world itself not... No, the world itself has to respond to pausing. I guess what I could do is have... Well, I'll just fix that at some point. Basically, the main menu, I think, needs to manually invoke the world to, like, apply its environment override and, like, query for things. Or the world itself should, like, when it's ready, or on ready, it should check that stuff. Also, I'm seeing here there's actually a place where I can, like... I guess I can't. Wait, now... Wait, hang on. No, okay. I thought for some reason that, like, the saturation... No, I'm confident that actually did happen. Like, that it went up... Okay, I see now. So now when the tween ends, it goes back to that. So yeah, it's not properly, like, stopping all of the tweens. Ugh. How the hell did these tweens... Oh, it's because it's stop all, not remove all. Of course. Okay, that doesn't fix the problem, though. But that does beg the question. So, it works if the target isn't, this. Or no. Like, basically, the tween was working until it needed to tween back out. Yeah, like, look at that. When I jump in and then jump back out, the tween plays, and then it sets it. Why? Okay, so that's fine. And then that isn't fine. Oh, I know why. Because we actually need to do else set saturation cycle false. Oop. The hard bug was a typo. Eventually I'll get there. I mean, it wasn't a really hard bug, but it was pretty difficult to figure out. Because I thought there was things... In fact, do I even need a tween? Does it work with just the scene tree tween? Well, let's double check just to make sure that that actually was the issue. It works even more poorly now. Yeah, now it just doesn't work. What the hell? Okay, so how is this not working correctly? Set saturation cycle, tween. So the end should be, if enabled, it does this. Else, 1.0. So this should be correct. And then this should be right. So can I do... What should I do? Okay, so we have set fog override, clear fog override. So that, how the fuck does this work? No, whatever. Because that just tweens to the current end value. Yeah, because that should do everything that I'm doing here. Oh, tried to... Whoop. I'm fucking up everything. I'm trying to eat. That wasn't even me that adjusted the camera. I should do something about the camera, because it feels like it makes it look like I do it on purpose, like putting the camera right in Jackie's chest. But it's just a convenient spot to have it centered. Yeah, that's even more noticeable and worse. My extensive labor has somehow made the product significantly less effective. And I'm sure it's because I'm not smart enough. Well, I can just do like x equals t dot interpolate method self print saturation environment dot adjustment saturation, and then we can do function this p float print p. So we should see these beautiful numbers flying across the screen. And by the screen, I mean the little console. I'm out of water. And I have so much food left. But okay, there should be... Yep, nothing here. So let's do that. Play this. And then... nothing here. Interesting. Fascinating. Why is this not here? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So the saturation override did not override, as far as I can tell. And then, just... Okay, it goes to 1. Why the fuck does it go to 1? I know what it is. Jesus Christ, I know what it is. No, wait, I don't know what it is. Because I thought it was the interpolate property being like, what the fuck? Why is it setting it to 1? Okay, let's print debug queen from %s to %s modulo environment dot adjustment saturation and then remove this, maybe? No, I'll keep that. No, I won't keep this. I'll keep that, though, just in case. And I guess I could just print, actually. I could just call print as the method. So I don't actually need that. I will eat potatoes. Oh, right, when it starts up, it's not going to tween anyway. So that is fine. Okay, let's see what it tweened to. Why? Oh god fucking damn it. This needs to be true. No, it doesn't, actually. No, I know, that should be correct. Oh, wait, no. God damn it. I could... Okay. A simple logic bug. Well, I guess it's not... I guess they aren't really typos in the bingo card. But I think they conceptually count. They're like logical typos. Because it's a cycle. Hi, welcome back to the stream. Oh wait, actually, I don't know how long that chat message has been there. I had a window covering just enough of the chat window that the hello was like cut off. That was it. Okay. That was what, like an hour of work for that? But okay, now we can do print. Remove that. So let's do add areas, status, add UI. Did I forget to commit stuff yesterday? No, I think, well, you know, let's just add dot. Because it was basically dream stuff plus saturation override. That was that. Okay, so that was the last thing that I needed for the day-night cycle to be effectively complete. Or like desaturating in the day-night cycle. Okay, NPCs with guns should be able to turn around. I guess they should be, but these are gonna be a lot of work. I want to make the game, like, well, I guess I gotta really think. What are things that I can do now that I know will be in the game and that aren't just spoiler stuff because I don't want to work on it on stream? I'm gonna delete this because what I think I'm gonna do don't I have get phase? I think I did this one. Make crawlers more dangerous and cooler and more epic. I think that'd be potential for later, but not most. Highlight most recent map markers. This would be nice. Okay, I can do... I'll make a placeholder fast travel system. And also, pick from the map. Okay, so let's have... Where would buses even be in the game? Or like... Well, that's also not that important. I think it'd be nice, but now that the dream is in the game, I think it's more interesting to have the player go from place to place, so I think that's fine. What if the menus were constrained to a 4:3 ratio? I mean, I guess I can check what that would feel like. Because for some reason I thought this would look interesting. Let's go through all of these. So it's going to be like 1.33. And then for this one, 1.3. Because for some reason, in my mind, this feels like it'd be more correct for the game. Like that it feels like a 4:3 game that's just in widescreen. Well, no. Yeah, no. I don't think that's any good. I mean, actually, for these maybe. For the pause menu. Yeah, so I'm going to say for the pause menu, it'd be that. Okay. So game state dot let's do get player dot get current or dot mesh dot pattern, or like get code pattern dot generate material. What even is this? Oh, description visibility code. Okay. Let's see if this works. In fact, we don't need the valid, like, global.valid game state. We can just do this. For var p equals global.get player. If p. Okay. So yeah, I say for the main menu, I want this to be 16:9. For the gaming, I definitely want 16:9. For the pause menu though, I like the 4:3 actually. It keeps it a bit more, well, yeah. Well, I'm oscillating. Maybe if I remove, like, this on the side here, and then just have this window extend out to here, it'd be better. Oh, wait. This, on the other hand. I think here, the problem is, it's too cramped now, for how I've set it up. Okay. I'll say it'd be too much work. Git add items. Bug fix. Git diff. Yeah, so let's remove those. Wait, there was one that has a max aspect ratio of 0.75? Weird. Okay. So yeah, so this aspect ratio container, I guess will just only apply for the very wide screen. Or like ultra-wide monitors. Because if the player really wants a 4:3 experience, they can always just play the game on a 4:3 monitor, since it does scale down. Okay, let's also remove the fart gas. Where is that? That's 124. That's this, that, the other. Yeah, so now nothing interesting happens. Okay. Wait, why are these different now? Git add areas. Remove fart gas. And I'm not gonna fiddle with the rest of that. I don't know what that even is. Okay. So, it would look nice for most of the main menu, but it's overall too cramped. Okay, make sleeping just another prompt when sitting, not a button you hold down. It's already a prompt, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bump this down. Maybe I'll do that. Rebindable controls. It's not a must for me. Could ship. Medium should provide dialogue directing you to interesting things that advance the story. That would be good. Would make animation blending use relative time. I could try this just for the 1D blend. Because I do have the code now. So if we go to Godot, we go to Scene, Animation, Animation Blend Space 1D. So what I would do, process. Blend points used equals 1. Yeah, that's good. So blend parameter, blend position. Var, or like float blend speed equals get blended. What would it be? Maybe I should just do... Okay, so we're gonna have here key time divided... What was the algorithm that I had? Okay, so this is for P and blend, so we can just do 2 of these. Because we're just blending from one point to another. Figure out the weights, then blend the animation. So weights point lower, weights point higher. Var... No. I'm thinking in Blender things. Float relative speed equals 1.0. So we'll do p time times relative speed. And then we'll have like a float total length, or no, blended length equals... Oh god, I need to get the length of an animation. This is a nightmare. Because I don't really understand. There's so much crap. Like, stop filling this with garbage. Okay. So if the point lower is -1, And the point higher is negative. Or, okay. And if the point higher is not equal to that. Okay. So basically, if there's no higher point or no lower point, we just have the one point. Otherwise, the distance between points is position higher, yeah. Current position in between, such as LERP, so blend percentage, blend lower, blend higher. Okay. So that means we can have a blended length. This float blended length equals blend lower times like animation size. So I don't know how to do this yet. Point lower plus blend lower times, or no, blend times animation size blend or points higher. And then the size would be, I guess we just have relative speeds, like high speed and then low speed. Oh, this needs to be yuck. Why do we need all? I guess this is fine. We don't actually need this here. No, wait. No, we do. Because we're gonna do float relative speed equals p time. No, it equals animation size I divided by blend size. Yeah, because this should be... Oh wait, no. Not this. Blend size divided by that. So blended size... So this... Our float blended length. So this doesn't exist. And so max time remaining should actually be the max time remaining divided by relative speed. And let's do actually like, well, because relative speed can't be 0. I think. And if it is 0, fuck it, I'll just divide by 0. And just break everything. But okay, so now what I need to do is figure out how to calculate the animation size, or animation length. Because that's probably going to be get blended length. How would I do that? P time p seek. It'd be blend points I dot get blended length. Blend points dot lower dot get blended length. So I think this would work. So let's double check where blend points is defined. Blend point, it's a blend point. Okay, so we need dot node actually. So, node arrow. Okay, so now the relative time should hypothetically work. Oh wait, we also need it back here, though. Divided by blend points I dot node dot get blended length. Let's see, I am making... Let's see, I'm going to lower the music a little bit. I'm making it so that I can make a walk cycle that blends seamlessly with my run cycle while being slower, without having to hack... without having to hack a bunch of stuff into the speed of the animation. Because right now, if I go to my anim tree, and we go to deep in here, this walk cycle is just too fast. But to fix it, I would have to delete this entire thing and all of the work in it. I'd have to delete this specific node, which every single thing connects to. And then add a whole new tree with a speed parameter. And then I can do it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to make it so that the this thing just blends relative to the animation speed. Let's see if this compiles. J9. Oh wait, and I should close this. I don't need to save that. Yeah, so this now gets the length of the animations, and it like blends this, or it makes them slower if they're longer, but it's using the shorter animation, basically. Actually, I should double check my logic here. So like if this is 0, that means, okay, yeah. So that should work to get the length of the blended animation. And then the speed of it is the amount of time the animation is going to run in, and then the amount of time the animation usually takes. So that way, like, if you have your walk cycle that's twice as slow as your run cycle, the run cycle would slow down as it approaches the walk cycle, and it would blend in less. But okay, did this compile, though? Okay, it did not. Get blended length cannot accept parameter... So you cannot access protected member declared in class animation node. Ah, I see. So let's just make it public. So get blended... Isn't this an animation node? Oh, it's an animation root node? But then why would it not have access? Like, protected means you can get blended length. Because, like, this is animation node blend space 1D. Huh? Cannot access protected member declared in class animation node. Alright, I should figure out... Yeah. Yeah, so it's a game-specific thing. Okay, so... C++ protected methods. What is this? Like, I apparently have misunderstood what a protected member is. And to the inherited class, but not outside the class. I mean, is it not inherited then? I don't get it. I'm gonna eat. Am I stupid? What's going on here? So is the blend animation node blend space 1D inherits from the animation root node. And therefore, the animation root node inherits from the animation node. Oh wait, is it this public? Hang on. What does public inheritance mean? We have created a derived class in public mode. We can also do it in protected mode. So what does this mean? Makes public members of the base class public in the derived class, and the protected members of the base class remain protected. Okay. So protected wouldn't do that. Yeah, this has been on my future me problems for a few weeks. Okay. So public inheritance does what I want it to do, which is that the protected method should still exist, but doesn't. Is it this stuff? No. This just adds some, like, reflection stuff. Okay, let's double check where this is. So 283. Get blended length. Cannot access private member. Oh no, protected member declared in class animation node. $283. No. I mean, I guess I can just make it... I'll just make it public. Who gives a shit? Like, who am I hiding from? Who is not allowed to use the get blended length function? But it's probably some other bug that's just showing up this way. Okay, and I guess the big question on everyone's mind is, will this work? Because now what I can do is figure out, if I go to Blender, let's go through... Oh wait, I need another PowerShell window. Let's make a different one. Let's make PowerShell 7. Fix UV maps. Because now we need to go to the player. Characters, Jackie. I think it's in base mesh, movement 4. Yeah, we can do walk loop, make this 60. So, what does this look like? Let's make it 59. So, and also she looks awfully, like, stern. Eventually I can alter the gait of that, but okay. My basic goal is to then have this walk animation blend in with my run animation by just speeding up as it gets closer to one or the other. And then I don't have to do my whole nightmare of, like, you know, properly architecturing the thing back in the past. I mean, the other real solution would be to make it so that Godot's animation tree editor is not so miserable to use, where, like, literally any changes whatsoever that require, like, changing the structure require just deleting all of the nodes that need to be reorganized. Eventually I have plans to make a proper, or to make a better tree node editor, but that's another project. I'm just gonna hack this. Okay. Godot's taking his time over here. Alright, let's go to base mesh. And if this worked, it will not segfault instantly. Okay, so it did not work. But maybe I can figure out why it didn't not work. So let's get Visual Studio up in here, and then we'll figure out what I did wrong. Probably something to do with, alright, let's do... It's not that one. We just need this one. Okay, so I guess it could be... Well, no, the blend points are clearly here. Maybe the node is null? Maybe blended length is null because it's a virtual function. Maybe blended length is calling something, it's like a Stack Overflow, or it's like calling itself recursively or something. Or maybe now that I think about it, we go here. By default... that's fine. By default, though... This does the list stuff. So we should actually just be able to do that, because before it's because it was const. For auto E is e.next. E get node get blended length. Oh, maybe it's a division by 0. Potentially. Okay, but what I'm gonna do... Oh wait, this isn't gonna work. Hang on. Tools, No, debug properties. Didn't I have command line arguments here? I guess they're no longer here. Path. D. 16 jams. 05. Jak 4. Project. Okay, so this seems... Okay. So now it's trying to run the game. That's a little better. Though, admittedly, I could just... Well, no, then I'd have to manually click stuff, so... This is probably the best way to go about this. So this should tell me... There we go. Exception thrown, because we have a state So we should have a state here. So the node should exist. Do we have like the length in here maybe? So we have anim size. So ref animation is AP get animation. So why is this? I mean, I guess I can just do like if not state. Alright, let's do air fail on v not state 0. And then here so what's up with get? Oh, look at that. Nice of it to only update this one. Oh, error fail. I did it wrong. Error fail con underscore v. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's check again, see if this works. Because, well, I mean, it should work, but I don't know if it's actually going to work now. Oh, wait, but if get blended length returns 0, we should figure out how to solve a divide by 0. So let's do, like, blended length equals 0, 1, else that. Or let's actually do var or float len equals this equals 0 or len equals 0, 1 else blended length divided by length. There we go. So now all the animations will get horrifically out of sync if there's ever any 0 length animations. Which I'm thinking there shouldn't be, because even if it's just 1 frame, I think it would count that as just like however long the or however long the time is for the frame. I'll have to double check, because I have no idea actually. But okay. Let's run Godot again. Oh wait, no. Not from here. We need to run it from here. Okay. That is starting to look like a thing. Oh, there are some interesting artifacts here. What is this, actually? Okay, it's just some shader compilation jank, I guess. Oh, but hang on. Oh, but The blending is messed up, though. You can see here. Let's set... well... yeah, so if we're walking... so yeah, that's correct. Wait, I think it's just not... I think it's probably just not doing any of the blend logic, then. Yeah. Interesting. And the game crashed because of this. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. Get blended length. What's blends? Oh, we should have a blend. If blends dot size or get size 0 return 0. Let's see if this actually works, though. So it's a vector of float blends. So does a vector have... it's force inline vector. Vector... should have, like, size. Okay, so... wait, where the heck is... okay, so it should be... okay, it does have a size. Force inline int size. Okay, so we can just do size equals 0, return 0. And this will break another thing, but that's... well, this will probably have its own breaking things, but that's okay. Okay, and I see quite a few of these not state is true. How do I... what does this mean? I guess I'll just do if not state, because it seems like it's so common. State. Return 0. Does... hang on. Does Visual Studio not have, like... no, Visual Studio has indentation stuff. I don't know what the hell it's doing. Maybe it's punishing me for being a cheapo and using the community version. I guess this doesn't solve the... I guess this actually does indicate where the issue is, which is... well, no, it kind of worked for the, for when I was doing the idle, because the walk was slower at the start. Oh wait, am I... what am I doing? Okay, it did compile. So let's double check that this will work. Because it seems like the run works, it's just not synchronizing in the way that I want it to. Maybe I need to make it always seek. Yeah, because we can see here, the walk is slower, I think. No, it isn't. Yeah, and we can hear the run cycle is not slower. So it's doing this funny double walk thing, because basically the walk is still twice as slow as the run. which is like the crux of the thing I want to fix. So why, though? I guess I can do... Let's go to this here. Oh, wait, no. Let's have this, and then that. So that way we can actually check when it's blending properly. Because I think what's happening is that there's just no state. Like, the animation blend length is just broken. Is it? Okay, there it is. Okay, so we should have a little bit of a blend here. Damn, does it really not show? No, it does kind of show it. Okay. Position, okay. So we're going from walking into this. Wait, what? Why is that? Oh, no, I see. Okay, this is the position of the walking in the blend. This is the position of the standing. Current position between them. Okay, and we're ever so slightly starting to walk. So then the blend percentage is 10%. So that means blend lower, blend higher. Huh, I guess this was probably optimized away or something. But okay, we have our 99% and that, and that, and that. And then we have blend higher, blend lower. Weird. Yeah, I just can't see. No, I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Okay, max time remaining. A-okay. So find the closest 2 points and blend between them. No, okay, so then we're going to here. So is the length... So the length is 0. Why is the length 0? If not state. So state... Okay, so why is the state null? What is our animation actually? Like, where are we? So if we have locals... So what is this? So our animation... So we just have animation as a thing here, don't we? Oh no, this is a string. Yeah, this is string name. Okay, and its name is run loop. So this is the run animation. And it's weird that there's no state to it. Okay. So the reason it's not working is because, for some reason, there is no state. I don't understand it. Okay, let's go to, like, state player or something. Animation tree, I think here, so... Animation blend tree. So where the hell does this thing get its stuff? See, because we do this in a lot of different places. No, we just do it in process. So why is process working? I mean, I guess I can just break on the animation tree. So I can just break here. No, F5 is what I need. Yeah, because we have... So why is the state valid here? Do I set it? Like, explicit? Do I have to set it every frame or something? Oh my god. Do we really set it from the parent? Do we have to set this variable that is a class variable every single frame? Why the fuck do we have to do that? What? Why? What does this mean? So every single frame. Why? And that's of course because all of these, everywhere, so why are we... So we get the state from here. State.player equals player. If it's a variable that's passed into the function, why is it also a member of the class? Hang on. So if we go back to the blend tree, but aren't I using process here? Yeah, I'm in the process function. So maybe it's because... Oh, I see what I can do. No, I don't see what I can do. What the fuck? Why does this not have state? Oh no, this should have... I mean, let's just do fucking state here then. No, that's not gonna be right. Let's do... var... no, auto... Let's just do states equals states. And then we'll just do that. What a baffling, like, architecture for this. It's just... like, it can't change that often. Like, the animation player isn't, like, changing. And I guess... okay, so that should be fine. Because now I know why that's the case, because Godot is doing whatever it wants to do. Okay. I did actually see some weird stuff, so hang on, let's just continue for a bit. See how it feels. No, still the exact same issue. So let's get this. Okay, so our higher position and our lower position, good. A flock of geese above me. Position in between them. Blend percentage, blend lower. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Because we're almost all the way to the top one, yeah, 99. Oh, wait. We should do, this here. Okay, let's try this again. And I could at least, like, let's check. I could make it so that this is like 0.5 or something, just make it obvious that that's the bug that we're hitting. But I guess that's a given, that it's the bug, that it is the bug we're hitting. Okay. Start it again. What the heck was that? That was like a engine backfiring in the background. A lot of speed racers in here. Okay, so something's completely fucked up with the idle animation there. What was that actually? So now it's way more fucked up than it was. So at the very least... So at the very least now it's doing something, which is nice. I think I swapped the ratios somewhere. Because yeah, it seems like this is faster. So max time so let's test what this looks like then. So what is our blended length? 0.5. I guess. So length 2.5. What is this node even? Where are we? Because we only have 3 of them. I thought we only had 3 of them. Where are we? Yeah, there's only 3 blend points. Why is there like a dozen? It's like there's like 63 of these. What? So the relative speed is 0.2, which doesn't make sense for anything that we have. Oh wait, no it does, actually, for the, No, it doesn't. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be... Okay, I think I did mess this up. I think it was a simple matter of getting these wrong, because it's supposed to speed up the longer the animation is. Like, because basically the idle animation takes 2.5 seconds, and then the run animation takes half a second. So therefore, to keep the idle animation in sync with the run, it should be running 5 times faster. And this should also not even apply because it's blending at 0. But the walk animation is twice as fast, or takes twice as long, because it takes 1 second. So then it would be running at double speed. Okay, so that was the issue. That was also why the animations were running faster, because as you got closer, it would still be, I think, correct, but then, like, as you get further away from the, like, walk speed, yeah, this should fix it. There's still potentially the issue of them not being in sync, though. Like, because the speed might be correct, but then they just, for whatever reason, aren't actually lining up. Because this does both the seeking, so, like, getting a particular frame for a particular time, and incrementing a frame at a time. So eventually, I'd like to fix all that. But okay. Let's test. Alright. It'll do whatever it needs to do. Oh wait, F5. That's the right button. Play. What did I save here? Okay, so there's still some jank with the idle pose at the very start, but I don't know if that's like... No. Wrong, Godot. Okay, so our blend points are 3. Point lower, point higher. So what are our weights? 0. Point... So. Great. What's our blended length? 0.5. Slightly more than 0.5. So that means that we should be getting... Okay, so that's fine. So this... Okay, so this is the one that's... This is the running animation. So the relative speed is slightly slower than the regular run. And then that should... Oh wait, do I do something weird with the... Oh wait, yeah I do. This here, I think, is wrong. Maybe I can just do... I'll just keep it at that. I won't even deal with the, Let's stop this. Run that. Oh wait, hang on. Oh no, okay, that did compile. So yeah, here, I mean, it kind of works. Admittedly, now it's a lot slower. Or now, you know, the speeds are going to be off because I adjusted them all based on that. Okay, actually, hang on. I'm astonished that that worked because I have no idea what that logic was. Hang on. Let's get it clear for the camera. So, idle, to walk, to run. Oh wait, hang on. There is, nope. It don't work. Yeah. It worked for a bit. Well, at least we caught it on camera. Also, when did these move? Like, when did these get into the wrong position? That's not even related to this. This has just been a thing, I guess, for like months, probably. But okay, so remaining should be... The max time remaining should be like blend points used. Or no, blended length. Blended length equals blend points point higher. Dot that. Otherwise it equals this. Otherwise it's more complicated. Oh wait, that's actually probably the issue. Because the blended length, so let's do 0.0 here. Let's not fiddle with that. I think it is, I didn't realize that it doesn't like return instantly here. Oh, taking its time. And then eventually I can even add a flag to make it so that you can use relative or absolute times. Yeah, I'm thinking, fiddling with this, what would I do to make a more robust animation system, or an animation system where it's easier to do these sorts of time hack things? But okay, I think it's because, yeah, what was messing it up was when I got to a maximum speed, it would then mess up the blend speeds and stuff because it was doing like zeros. Yeah, because I didn't realize that it was still running that logic even when there was nothing to blend. But now it's just set to the actual length of the animation. So yeah, now I mean, admittedly, now it's kind of jank. I could probably do something like a square root, though, maybe? Yeah, admittedly, now that I've done this, it'd probably be better to have it, have them as separate animate, or have them as, yeah, just have the speed separate. But that would be a much larger project, because I'm not, like hell, like hell, I'm doing like 20 minutes of just redoing the same work because Godot's broken-ass editor doesn't save it, or doesn't let you just, like, reorganize nodes. At that point, I would rather, like, make my own animation node editor. And I would just, like... Yeah. Fuck that. This is good enough. And I'll even retune these animations at some point. Because now it is kind of, like, jank. how does that... Yeah. Yeah, because now... I mean, this is the big problem, admittedly. Well, I guess, is it that big of a problem? Yeah, I guess it should just, like, blend them closer together. So I can save and quit here. Close that. Don't save that. Oh, I should have saved that, actually. Blend space 1D now uses relative speed. So now I can have animations of different speeds all work together. So let's see. So now there are some things that I want to change. So I want to truncate the idle animation to just 1 second. Or just like 2 seconds or something like that. Let's go to idle loop. So yeah, because it does very little. I mean, it's not even a very good animation. So yeah, I'm thinking it swings back and forth. So like there, honestly, we could do this. So let's have, like... So this is now going to be our forward motion. Oh wait, no. I need to go Control-C, Control-V. And then, for now, just delete these. Just do a simple... I don't like that. That was a mistake. So let's see, where is... What is messing up here? So this one, I don't think is good. Yeah. Now let's scale this up a little bit, though. Yeah, let's do like 90. I have a good idea. Just move less. Well... Yeah, the problem is I want one of the blends to be absolute time. So I want the idle loop to just be able to do whatever it does. And then I want the walking loop to just have its regular speed, basically, or to override it. Yeah, admittedly, this was probably the wrong move. I do think it's a good feature to have. I just think I need more controls now that I've made it. So it would have probably been better to just hack it. Oh well. Let's get Godot. And we'll tune these animations to be a bit more better. No, player. TSCN. 3D. No, we need to go to base mesh. Animation. This, that. Yeah, so now we start from a bit faster of a walk animation. And then we go up to this. And there is a bit of funk in here since it's, yeah. Admittedly, I'd also need a jog animation to really make this feel accurate. Because admittedly, I probably shouldn't even overthink this blend stuff, because in reality, people don't smoothly blend from a walk to a run. They have, like, distinct intermediate phases and then different speeds of those phases. Like a jog, it's just a fundamentally different gait. And you don't, like, go from a jog to a walk. You just jog slower until you, like, distinctly switch to a walk. Huh. Oh, I see. Now it's the player does not have, like, a thing there. Oh, well. Okay, so put that back to 0. I don't know. If the player wants it to look janky, they'll make it look janky. I think that is good enough for that. Finally have that fixed. Assets. Git commit am. Slow down walk cycle. And slow down. I don't need that. Okay. So that was just that. So walk and talk. This would be good, but admittedly, I think it's one of these. Guns should have finite ammo and be reloaded on the ground. Yeah, this would be nice, but not that nice. Does the hover scooter count as grounded? We'll figure it out when we get to it. Cosmetic physics on the floaters. This would also be cool, but I don't want to do. An interaction system cast to make sure we don't talk through walls. The medium chair. Zoom to inspect. Able to zoom without gun. I mean, we kind of... Oh, wait, no. The ability to manually zoom without a gun. So that'd be good. Small map markers for any location with only to do... I think this is also lower priority. Ask any NPC to borrow their phone. Parameters for subtopics. Not really that important. I'll put that in tools. The immaterial. Okay. Is that what I'm calling it? I mean, I have that. But, like, dialogue associated with it. So, like, dialogue about this difference in perspective. Way for, like, specific moments directing you to look at the mountain. NPCs with guns, yeah, that's fine. So fall damage, this is another one that sounds cool. I'm not going to do it probably. Oh wait, don't I already have go to sequence? Oh wait, no. I have
go to phase. So phases and sequences would be different things. This is going to be honestly like a dialogue V2 thing. Use a blender script to triangulate terrain. I did that actually. Put a compass on the map. Didn't I put that like twice? Get advanced UI. Simple look at journal thing. Like a bus that takes you places. So what dialogue would not be consistent? Oh. I'll say those are fine for now. Because I don't want to do too much stuff. Let's do the walking animation. Should have footstep sounds, because that's going to be easier. Not there. This one. No, not that one. This one. So if we go to the run, it should have little things. Oh, but now they're not going to be synced perfectly to frame. Let's go to like 0.01. Okay, 0.08.32. So if I do a reasonably close to those, so step false and step true. So we'll do 0.01 here. So it should be doubled. Call method track that. So it'll be step somewhere in here. So we will step first with our left foot, I think. Hang on. Animation tree will not be active. Oh no, okay. Yeah, I guess so. So 0.64? I guess that makes sense. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Because now we'll have some very slow and nice footsteps. Okay, and they don't overlap each other, so my logic still works for, like, it only plays one of the sounds at a time, even if multiple animations are triggering it, like, through blending. Okay. And that basically has no effect on, like, how the players will actually play, which is to just hold in a direction for the maximally. But I don't know. If someone wants to pretend that they're, like, in a cool, like, thing, they can walk. And the camera will zoom uncomfortably close to her butt. Okay. When you're walking, perfect. So that was that. Make sure dialogue works if you get the pistol from Nachi and Yomi instead of Riley. Insight button prompt is broken on keyboard. Let's see what that looks like. Because I'll just do some little bugs here to wrap this up. So I'm sweating. It's been humid and hot all day. So item, insights. So if I did E, yeah, there's something off with this. Let's go to the Because if I use the controller, then it's fine. So I don't get what that is. No dialogue? Viewer? So maybe this, or maybe the dialogue.tscn. Yeah, this here. So why is this, like, fucked up? So why is it this one specifically, though? Is it this thing here? Size flags? Shrink? So it should shrink. Does it have a grow direction? I don't know, begin? Why? Why is it so big? Like, it doesn't grow. So min size is 64 by 64, and it should just shrink to its minimum. So, like, what is this? This is a panel container. So, like, and why is it specifically this one? Like, these ones are fine. So what's up with this? I mean, I guess it's one of the only places where there's, like, the big mode one now. Hang on. If I go to the kid, are these prompts messed up? No, these ones are fine, and these are big mode. So yeah, because if I do that, yeah. So it's only that other one. And also, poor Tyler, he's still messed up. Yeah, he's not correct. Okay. So for some reason, no, there's something wrong with this UI in here. So maybe I can just do small, and then I'll just have it like, well, maybe this insight prompt should just be inside the, like, main buttons. So you just have, like, there. And then we're just gonna have this have no special font. And we're not gonna hide this. Wherever the insight prompt is used. So yeah, we're not gonna have that there. We're gonna have it in main buttons. Oh wait, no, we need main VBox main buttons. Main buttons / insight prompt. So then prompts. So if I see and not viewer using insight. And let's just do if I see. In fact, we don't even need that. We can just do this. Oh wait, no, we do need that. Okay, insight prompts dot get node label dot text equals using insight. Oh wait, no. Why do I have that there? Where do I use the insight? Oh, on journal, use insight. Use insight here. So we shouldn't have that there. We should have that here. And we can have... we're just gonna have this here as like dot visible equals IC greater than 0, and the text equals that. Use insight. So now using insight is there. So now it should be better, and hopefully it won't completely obliterate the UI. And I guess I'll probably switch it to the small mode. Okay, because now I can do that, and it's using insight. And what I'll do... Oh wait, no. The entire point of that was to have that, but I'm going to do, first off, have a control here. This will be like our spacer. So it'll go here, and it'll do size flags fill. I was hoping it would expand to fill our available space. Does this not fill? Okay, there we go. And we should also have one here. And this one will have like not expand, but min size of like 20. Because we can probably shrink this. Well, I guess this is this size, so that way the player can increase the font size. Okay, so did I set this to... I guess I did set it to small mode. But yeah, okay. Now this is just in a better place anyway, because now it's much more obvious to the player, like, oh, there's a thing I can use. No. Oh, wait. Okay, and I can do I, using insight. Even insight. And I guess I should probably also have the same prompt on the dialogue, or on the journal and the thing. Because that was the main reason that I had it external of all these. Because now we need, like for the mini journal, we can probably just put a item list. No, we can put... I'm just going to put another insight prompt here. Let's do like bottom center. Where should I put this actually? Put it maybe top left. And what it'll do is it'll expand upward. It's like grow direction, horizontal will be end, but vertical will be begin. So that way, as it gets larger, it goes up. Which should hopefully not completely ruin it. Now let's have this here, I guess. So we should actually have... I think I'm going to just have these in a group. So it'll be group like insight prompt. And so that way for all three of these, we can have the item list. So that goes bye-bye. Where the hell is... What am I looking for, actually? Item context, item lists? Oh, wait, no. That's there. That's fine. I think the main buttons get hidden, and then this shows up. So we could actually have the main VBox spacer, insight prompt, and then items list here, spacer 2 there, spacer this here. Okay. Because now we can do... don't even need this. So we're going to do call group insight prompt set visible or get tree. IC greater than 0. And then call group insight label. How do we get... we need an actual script here now. I guess we could do... Yeah, we just need a thing here. Let's do UI. Maybe like components, because it'll be like a nested label. Because then we'll just do like extends control var set text or function set text t string dollar label dot text equals t. Okay, so now I can do nested label here, though I do need to use the bathroom, so I'll be back. And then back. Okay. So set text t, so that means that when we need to go to item context, we will call group insight prompt set text to this. So using insights. So now... Oh. No, okay. That's fine. So yeah, one of the insane things that I've been considering... Did I mention it earlier this stream that I wanted to see about using Umka as a scripting language? The scripting language Umka? But that's also a deranged decision that would basically be a waste of time. But it'd be a fun waste of time, because it's a statically typed language. And it's, yeah, because the real answer is to just port to Godot 4. But then again, at this point, I've also added features. Like, I mean, I'd have to report this to Godot 4. Okay, what was I even testing? I was testing the... Right. Insight. Item. Insight. Alright, so if I do this, then we go to the note. We have no insight up there. I do not see... It is not properly formatted. Set text to... Is it not in the correct group? Insight prompt. So it should be... They should both be in here. Why are they not here, though? Oh, right. This one doesn't have the method. Okay, so we need nested label. And also I'm leaning weirdly, so if I sound differently in the audio. Yeah, Umka, let's look at Umka. Because I might also just stick around for 20 more minutes, because I did use the bathroom right when I typically end the stream. So now it'd be weird to use, you know, Umka language. Yeah, so it's a statically typed programming language. Faster than Python, though admittedly that's an extremely low bar. But there's like a ray tracer that they made. They made some projects and game-related stuff. So yeah, I think it'd be fun. And I guess what I could do as well is I've also talked about going back and forth on like what I'm going to do for my next project. In fact, is that on the bingo card talking about future projects? And what I could do is use something in Umka and try to make my statically typed small talk that I was talking about. Because it is meant to be like compiled live and stuff like that. And like embedded into other libraries. Yeah, because it's apparently very similar to Go, but I've never actually used Go. But yeah, it seems like a pretty reasonable language. It would take some... Well, it would take a lot of work to get it to parity with GD script, but... Could be fun. Oh wait, I don't have any insight. Why is this... There we go. Item insights. Okay. So now, let's go to the notes. Okay, so we have that up there, so I can... I could have... I was supposed to be able to. So now that's not working. Why is that not working? So if So input event. Event is action pressed UI cancel. If not viewer using insight and event is action pressed and global count. So this should be here. Oh, I see. So this mini journal has a signal for using insight. And that's supposed to be here. So it'll be on like notes use insight. Let's just do that. So then we'll do use insight. Oh wait, wrong thing. Okay, so it is called on journal use insight, but it's not for this one. It's for this one. All right. Yeah, on journal use insight. Edit. Item context on journal use insight connect. Hello? Is it not? I'll just disconnect it and then connect it. Fine. Yeah, I think GD script is pretty good in a lot of ways. Like, I prefer a lot of the syntax differences. My main problems are specifically with Godot 3's GD script, because like it just doesn't have like types proper. Well, the type system is kind of just broken. Yeah, Lua is also an option, though. The main thing I like is static typing, because it's generally faster or much easier to get faster. And then also, I just like having the types verified for me. Because a lot of the bugs that I have at runtime with Godot are because I have to use, or I'm put in situations where I can't actually use the static typing because GD script is kind of broken. But okay, now if I do a note, I do that, there we go. And then I don't need that anymore. Or, yeah, then that works. Item insights 20, maybe. Let's see if there's anybody who actually has... Okay, so I can go do here. Then we can just use insight. Boom. I can see everything, and it's beautiful. Perfect. So that is complete. Fix the profiler logger. Ugh. I guess I can at least check if they're actually negative. See, I can go to core profiler, which is one of these dang old things. And it'll be if... Oh, we gotta do this. Okay. But int 64t time equals if time less than 0, time equals 0, and then return time. And this I'll just have as specifically for breakpoints. Okay, let's do git add dot git commit cool. No. Improved insight UI. Okay. So now another funky little engine test that I need to do. Tools, Godot. Okay. And I think I did not... Yeah, I forgot to... Pools... Or no. B. 116 jams. Oh. 05 Jak 4. Project. And they should... Oh wait, no, it's not going to do anything yet. Because I need to open up the core dot thing. So let's go to core profiler. Because I need this here. No, this is... No, Visual Studio, I disagree with this. It's definitely here. Let's double check. So if I did this... And that should be... This is definitely true. Because, like, if I stop this, it'll, like, run. It'll all work. Because, like, if I go to Godot... And then we go to profile viewer log thing. Yeah, profile log viewer. And then if I start this one... We can do open this... No, this thing. So this was the one that I ran just now. Or, is it? No, I know. It'd be this one. Yeah, so the logs are still... These logs are definitely being generated. It's just the numbers are negative. And it doesn't make any sense. It must be that something is getting uninitialized, maybe? That could be it, actually, now that I think about it. So, what would we do if a profile marker were destroyed? So start time equals current time. A profile marker till? Wait, what? No, this should be the end time, right? Token.start time equals start time. So, profiler manager, singleton, append. I think it might just be something dumb. Oh wait, no. That is the end time. Wait, then what the hell was I looking at that said the start time? Profile timer start, profile timer end, profile marker. Hang on. We need to go to a real editor. So where's the profiler token? Yeah, that is end. I think, honestly, I think I just messed it up. I think this is supposed to be token dot end time. Just right there. I think that's why all of my stuff was broken. Okay, so scones tools equals yes. Target equals release. Debug J9. And this should compile pretty fast. Just the scripts are pretty low. They're pretty slow. Alrighty. Let's do, and this one. What was I even doing? Oh, right. I'm making sure the profiler works. I'm glad I at least remembered the context of what I'm doing, because all I need to do is run around a little bit. That should work. How did I break this, though? Like, what was I doing that I edited that and just set the start time to the current time and thought that that was what I needed to do? Because, yeah, now, if we view this, for example, yeah, it's just perfect. It just does exactly what I wanted it to do. Yeah, it all works. I just didn't read the code. Yeah, look at how beautiful it is. We draw viewports. That's taken up a little bit of time. I don't know why it's not taking up very much time. Hang on, let's view... Huh. I mean, admittedly, it seems like the idle frame takes up a lot of the time. I'm surprised how little it takes up, though. Like, is that... Oh, wait, no, this is microseconds now. It's not nanoseconds. Okay, so this is completely reasonable. This is a reasonable... Like, this matches the understanding of it. So yeah, the next step would be then to see if I can understand all this time being spent in the idle frame. Why does draw inside the physics step? Or, It must be, there's still some, like, jank with it. But at least now it's not having a bunch of negative values from me being a complete idiot. And having just, like, uninitialized values dumped into the memory of my profiler. Okay. That is relieving. Fix my profiler. Oh wait, no. I don't have to... Hang on. I don't need this anymore. We can go back to just returning this because it was always correct. Okay. And then the 1605 project. Let's just... But let's get push drive. So that gets us there. And push these as well. Back them up. Okay. I think that was a productive day. I finally fixed my profiler and did some other things. I'm surprised it was such an easy fix and I didn't even see it. But I guess that's typical. But okay, I will be back tomorrow for more excitement. I'll do more fixes, more features, more other things. Though admittedly, I should probably eventually start making a, yeah, that music's scaring me. I'll have to make some time to write out the story. I think I need to just take like a week and fully focus on it. But that'll be fun. Alright. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you later.